Steve Boorstein here. I'm both a financial planner and a pharmacist, and today we're diving into something that controls more of your life than you think: dopamine. You've probably heard it called the feel-good chemical, but dopamine isn't just about pleasure. It's about motivation, focus, and decision-making. And if you've ever felt stuck or distracted or like your money keeps disappearing, dopamine might be to blame. So let's break it down. Dopamine is a neurotransmitter. It helps your brain signal when something feels rewarding. But here's the twist: it spikes before you get the reward, not after. The 2022 Stanford study showed that our brains release dopamine in anticipation of a reward. It's not about having the ice cream, it's about thinking of it. Same goes for scrolling Amazon or checking your crypto accounts. This anticipation loop keeps us chasing the next hit. And that constant stimulation, it's exhausting your nervous system. Over time, it can lead to poor sleep, anxiety, burnout, even addiction-like behavior. It's not just a mental game, it's a physical one. Chronically elevated dopamine levels can dysregulate your cortisol and mess with your blood pressure, your weight, and your immune system. If you've ever wondered why you can't stick to your goals, even ones you want, this may be why. Here's where it gets dangerous: financial. Dopamine drives impulsive behaviors, and marketers know this. Buy now, pay later, dopamine hit. Watching your stocks jump, dopamine hit. Opening Instagram and seeing someone's vacation or new car, dopamine hit. And now you're tempted to spend. We've seen clients who earn six figures but constantly feel broke. Why? Their financial choices are being driven by chemical spikes, not long-term values. So let's talk solutions. You don't have to give up modern life. You just need to reset your dopamine system. Here are three things that work. Number one, dopamine fasting. Take 30 to 60 minutes a day with no phone, no email, no stimulation. Walk, breathe, just exist. It helps your brain reset sensitivity. Number two, delay gratification. Create a 24-hour pause rule before big purchases. Give your brain time to come off the dopamine high and make a rational decision. Number three, use dopamine for good. Your brain loves progress. Set small, trackable goals, like saving $50 a week or logging 3 walks a week. You'll get the dopamine, but with intention. When you build habits that align your brain chemistry with your goals, that's when you win, in health and in wealth. So if you've been struggling with consistency, motivation, or even regret after spending, don't beat yourself up. Understand what's driving it. We help clients design systems that take their health, brain chemistry, and finances into account. Because true wealth is about more than just money. It's about well-being. And if that's what you're looking for, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, or visit us at rockcrestfinancial.com. Hey, take care of your brain. It's your biggest asset. And if you're interested in more research and references, check the description below.